Welcome to the CryptoBillis unboxing series at today, unbox natin ang Ledger Nano S Plus Black colorway. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox. Let's take off the top cover. Makikita natin agad ang unit and ang recovery sheet ni Ledger. Let's check that out later. Ito ang Ledger Nano S Plus, the successor of the Ledger Nano S, one of the newer wallets ni Ledger. Pero tignan muna natin ang ibang contents ng box. Meron tayong insert here with manuals and guides, but at the very bottom, check nyo, merong pull tab, and if you open this pull tab, makikita nyo ang ating connecting cable. Meron tayong charging cable here na USB-A to USB-C, and it can also be used to connect the wallet to your laptop. Let's check out the insert. Ledger.com/start. Punta kayo dyan to set up the wallet. Here are a few instructions. Meron din tayong use, care, and regulatory statement from Ledger. Here is a manual on how to operate the wallet, and it comes in different languages. However, walang Filipino, so let's settle with English. And of course, di pa patalo ang Ledger, meron siyang stickers. Merong white sticker dito kung nakikita nyo, and the black sticker from Ledger. And let's open the recovery sheet. Bibigyan kayo ni Ledger ng 3 copy ng recovery sheet. Dito nyo isusulat ang inyong napaka-importante na 24-word seed phrase. So, hindi nyo pwedeng mawala to, guys. This is very important. And let's check out the wallet. This is the Ledger Nano S Plus. Very sturdy, quality ang design. Ito ang push buttons niya sa top, and it's how you operate the device. So let's plug it in and check out kung paano i-operate ang Ledger Nano S Plus. So ayan, once you plug in the device, it automatically powers up. So we can use the buttons on top to toggle right, and we can use it to toggle left. If you click both buttons at the same time, it will select. If you press it long enough, it will take you to the control center. And that is a quick unboxing ng Ledger Nano S Plus. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos.